Yun, magandang gabi mga kaibigan. Andito kami sa Altona. Okay? Magpipishing kami ngayon. Sama ang tropa. Let's go, magpipishing kami. Let's go, let's go.
Are you filming?
Yeah. Yeah, let's go, let's go. We're go fishing. Say hi then, say hi then.
Hi.
Okay.
What bait are we gonna use?
Fish, filchard.
Oh,
We will use lollies. We will try lollies.
okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So we are here in Altona.
Oh, Tona here.
Altona Pier. We will try catch some fish with lollies. Lollies, ha?
Lollies bait.
Lollies bait. Ayan, oh. Ito yung Altona, oh. Altona Beach. Gabi na, naliligo pa rin.
Parang ano, Mike, yung
Ha?
mahangin, baka wala ka nahuli niya. Yan na naman, negative ka na naman.
Tatry tayo, magtatry.
Ay, mahuhuli pa yan.
Ayan, oh. Maganda yan, oh. Kasi pa high tide. Tama-tama to, pa high tide pala, pre. Pa high tide to, pa high tide. Ayan, makakahuli kami ngayon dito ng ano. Ito yung pinakamahabang tulay dito. Altona Pier. Dito tayo. Okay.
Walang jacket pa rin.
Oo, kaya nga sabi mag-jacket eh. Mag-jacket na.
Kaya, sakay mo nga ako dyan.
Ba? Hindi kayo nagdala ng jacket.
Gadget pa siya itong bebe, hindi mo ginagawa. Kaya nag-gadget pa siya.
See? Yan mga kaibigan. Yan. Maraming tao pa rin dito. Ah. Tamang-tama to kasi pa high tide. Makakahuli tayo niyan. Yan mga. Makakahuli kami ng ano ngayon. Night fishing kami ngayon. Night fishing. Hello? Oh, Embel, maglalakad. Ito yung pier ng Altona Pier. Night. Maraming tao, busy. No diving, no jumping.
She said that before It's shallow water.
Marami bang nagpipishing? Ha? Mukhang maraming nagpipishing ah. Dito lang tayo sa baba. Yan, dito tayo sa may baba oh.
Para medyo mababa na.
Or dun, meron ba dun sa kabila? Diyan oh, diyan oh.
It depends what time it is.
Namamasyal lang yung mga yan dito. Ayan oh. Si ano oh. Yung fishing niya oh. Malamang, mga taga rito lang to. Ayan oh. Oh. Oh, dito tayo sa baba. Diyan oh.
Malalim din naman yan, di ba?
Oh, malalim yan dyan. Diyan nga maganda pwesto eh.
Mababa lang.
May nakapwesto na kasi dito eh. Tignan mo yung fishing rod nila. Ang haba.
Kaya nga eh. Malalayo ba ito na?
Grabe. Malalim to. Oh, grabe oh. Haba ng ano nila eh. Mamaya, alis na rin yung mga yan. Oh. Dito lang tayo. May naliligo ba? Oh my goodness.
Meron dyan eh, dito tayo, banda.
Dito lang tayo. Oh, here.
Tito Mike, if
Yeah, here.
we can go on the ladder.
Yeah. Okay.
Eh, dito na lang, wait lang.
Dapat pala, dinila natin yung upuan. Dito natin sa gilid, sa gilid.
Wala tayong upo.
Doon sa likod.
May upuan ako dun, sa sasakyan. O, dyan na lang. O, dyan na lang, i-set natin dito. Okay?
May harang na.
Ayan. Fishing. Fishing. Fishing lang, fishing. Hello. Sound. Oh. Ano nangyari? Yan. Maglolor ako ngayon. Maglolor. Night fishing to, night fishing. Night fishing. Hila-hilahin mo yan. Yan, ginaganyan yan. Buti umalis sila, no? No, buti umalis yung mga ano, no? Yan. Fishing. I-drop mo lang siya, drop mo lang. Drop mo lang. Drop mo lang siya. Ayan mo lang, Esben. Para ano. Asan na yung pampusit? Ayan. Nire-reel, ginaganon-ganon niya pampusit.
Ah, pagpusit ang ginagalaw.
Oo.
Matrabaho pala ang pusit.
Oo.
Hindi pa.
Maano to, kailangan galaw-galaw. Dito tayo. Meron bang nag-fishing dyan? Ah, meron. Meron siya, oh.
Oh, meron.
May naghahagis dyan. Dito tayo. Maliligo kasi itong mga to, eh. O, mag-squid tayo, squid. Squid naman tayo, squid. Meron yata dito, cattle. Cattle. Yung malaking pusit, yung ano, may bao. Cuttlefish.
Ano naman, negative.
Maalon eh. May ano yan, may isda yan, basta ganyan. Mamaya-maya. You throw together with the bell. You have to remove the bell first. You need to remove the bell. Kaya mo yan, may ganyan oh. Waiting lang yan, waiting. Uy. May naliligo kasi. Tayo mga huli dito.
Mag-alas 11 na rin naman.
Ayaw may salo, sinabi mo isa.
Ano, cats?
I thought.
Wala, tama na yan, di?
No. This time I'm gonna try no big.
Just leave like that. Esben. Yeah, just leave it.
Huli ka?
Put bait. Come on, come on. Ah?
Wala, naiwan ito may
Wala, naiwan ko yung ano eh. Kala ko nailagay ko eh.
next time na na.
They should go far, so it's hard to tell.
We put some other baits. Like shrimp. Chicken.
Chicken.
I put chicken.
Yeah, no.
Chicken naman, chicken na.
You know? Chicken.
Para maiba naman. Baka ayaw ng isda eh.
Oh. Chicken. Okay.
I know they can be efficient.
Okay?
There's no bait on mine.
Ha?
How are you?
I shall check.
Marami na yung nagpipishing oh. No? Dami oh. Sila oh. Okay? Go. Yes. Okay, marunong na siya. Oh. Okay. That's it. And then you can peel it. Yeah. Good, good.
Are you still filming?
Yeah, I'm still filming.
Hey, on.
It's on.
Oh.
I'm recording.
Then, when you hold this like that, so you don't like swing the whole chicken na lang sa kanya, Mike.
Huh?
Chicken.
Chicken? You want chicken? Yeah. Okay, we'll put chicken.
Really spicy?
Spicy chicken.
We need chicken. Where's the one? See, I put chicken.
Pwede ba baboy pagka next time?
Oh, kahit ano.
Anything like
Basta
that?
karne.
Anything.
Even broccoli?
Huh?
Broccoli?
Vegetarian
Yeah.
fish.
We will do experiment, no?
Vegetarian fish, no?
Which one is the best?
Lagyan mo ng ano, bean.
Beast bait. But I forgot the lollies. Huh? Okay.
You know, to throw.
Okay. Go throw it. Same. Hold the line. Release. Yeah. Release it. Yeah. And then throw. Yeah. That's it. Okay. Just leave it. The fish will,
I always keep thinking it's a fish when doing this line.
just do like this, the line, little bit tight, Yeah, like that, okay?
Next time, you'll buy same as Tito Mike.
Just keep like this, your line, little bit tight,
Ano, head?
little bit tight,
Yeah, you should bring those.
okay? That's it.
Next time, we'll buy the headlight. So you can like watch the thing. They come with the light.
Yeah. Lights like this, you can see,
Then they come.
okay?
You know, fish loves lights.
See the fish? No.
I just saw bubbles. Do you have the light there?
You can.
Kasi ano yung anak nila, pero hindi na pala nila nakatira, naglungkot na rin.
How do you know when there's a fish?
No, you can't see because it's,
Yung pangarang ng Pilipinas sila.
Ayan. Daming nagpi-fishing. Dumami yung mga fisherman. May naliligo pa. Huh? What's that? Light.
Light, but
Bike light. Ah. Oh, one big one, no? Laki ng fishing. Laki ng fishing rod niya, oh. Kung malakihan. Maraming nagsiswimming. Ayun, may naliligo pa. Pero dito sa kabila, ayan, maraming ito. Mga fishing. Ayan. Waiting kami ngayon. Waiting for fish. Okay. Wait lang muna tayo. Mamaya uli. Pa, catch it? Hindi kami pinalad sa pagpipishing namin. Malaki na lang. Oo. Dito na, antayin na namin kayo. Bili ka ng mocha doon, be? Wag na. Doon na tayo sa bahay. Ayan. Dito kami, McDonald na lang kami. Bili kami, dito sa Mac's. Dito na kami muna. Oh, how are you guys?
Hi.
Are good?
Good.
Mag-Mac's na lang tayo, Wala tayong nahuli.
We have no fish.
Pero tomorrow,
Yeah. In the morning.
wake up early morning.
Yeah.
We go to Warmis. It's near.